Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here with Mike's Drones and More. And guys, today we're taking a look at some new motors that just came out not too long ago from tinywhoop.com. These are the new Tiny Whoop. These are the Boss Sauce motors. So these are 17,500 kV motors, and these are 7mm motors. So they're 7mm by 16mm. And they also have another size up, which are 18,000 kVs, which are the NOS Sauce motors. So I'll be doing a review on those this next week, but I wanted to do a comparison first to kind of show you guys the different things. So here is my build that I've already made with the new 7mm motors. And so you can see this is not the normal cockroach frame that I use. Cockroach has not come out with a frame yet that can hold the 7mm motors, so I am using the Beta FPV board. This is a 65mm frame, but it can hold the 7mm motors, which is really super cool. So, and tinywhoop.com does sell this frame right on their website, as well as the motors as well. So just so you can kind of see a size comparison. So here's the 7mm, and here is the normal 6mm motors. These are special sauce, and these are the new Boss Sauce motors. So you can see there's definitely a size comparison in there, and I have been flying this around a little bit, and I gotta admit it's really sweet. It's got a lot of power, which I like. You don't really, normally when you're racing, sometimes with the 6mm, when you go down in elevation, it's a little bit harder to bring back up. You really don't have that problem with this. So this is what they look like close up. And then there's how I have it installed underneath. And this frame is a little bit heavier, so again, I prefer the cockroach frame, but this will do for now until they come out with something. So, which is really nice. And I am running the normal Beta FPV board that I like running. It's the Beta FPV F3 board. I'm hoping to get the F4 board soon and do a review on that as well for you guys, but here's what it looks like. And then here again is those motors really up close for you guys, so you can take a look at them. There they are. And there's no modifications needed or anything like that. You just have to get the frame that holds the 7mm motors. Now if you want, you can get the bigger frame like this by Beta FPV, and this will hold the 75 or 7mm motors. This is the 75mm frame as well. So it's a little bit heavier frame, a little bit bulkier, but this does work as well. But I like that you get the extra power with a lighter frame on this. So, and these, I believe, they're running anywhere between, I think, $15 to $20. I'm not sure exactly. So go to tinywhoop.com and check out the prices on these particular motors. So yeah, basically that's all I got for now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause for a second, guys, and I went ahead and I flew it the other night at the Tiny Whoop race night. So I'm going to show you guys the flight footage that I took while I was just flying around the room to kind of give you a good idea of how they perform and things like that. It's really smooth. I like them a lot. They've got a lot of power. And it's just, they're really nice motors. So definitely, if you're interested in building something new and interesting, definitely for sure check them out. They are 100% awesome. So I hope you guys enjoy the flight footage, and we'll be right back. Guys, so I hope you enjoyed the flight footage and the flight of the new Boss Sauce 7mm motors by TinyWhoop.com. I'm really super impressed with these. The NOS have about 500 more kV, and I heard they do give you a little bit more bump in speed and things like that. So we'll test that out, and then we'll do a comparison, and I'll give you my honest opinion if I think the NOS Sauce are better or the other ones. They also have a new set of motors that just released just a couple days ago. They're called the Bald Eagle Sauce. I'm not sure if I'm going to try those or not, but we'll see, because they do take some modification. You have to drill the props on your Tiny Whoop, and I don't know if I want to do that or not. But so guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the flight footage. I enjoyed making the video for you guys, so thank you so much for hanging out with me. As always, thank you for all the subscribers, all the viewers. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And while you're waiting for my next video, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for hanging out today. Have an awesome day.